Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful's back again, coming at you with another summoning video, and yeah, we're not gonna go too deep into this. Apparently we're gonna get Black Masamune or something, according to some data miners. I don't know if that's like 100% accurate, because if we if we get her, that's gonna be kind of busted, and that means I'm gonna have to whale again this month, which I really don't feel like whaling right now, but yeah, it is what it is, YOLO. But let's did they reset the shop? Nice, they reset the shop. That's nice. Oh, they still have this 3x celebration. Holy hell, okay. Let's see how many 500 multis we got here. One 500 multi, another 500 multi, another 500 multi. So it's pretty much just 4 anti-colossal gear. I have no idea what that's for. And I'll probably do that eventually, but as of right now, I'm gonna be chilling. Alright, I'll do this some other day. Jin, 5-step special. This is for Gerald and Natalie. I don't really. Nah. I'll skip that for now, and I'm only just gonna do the Memento banner in this one. Can we get Ren? That'd be kind of cool. Dilga. The man with the sweet cheeks. Boom! Nina! Oh, even better. Even better, I love Nina. Nina's a powerful unit, not gonna lie. Like, I didn't even have her job mastered, like, all across the board, and she was still putting in mad work. Alright, so, yeah, I mean, it's Nina. That's not bad, I'll take Nina. I take Nina over Jin until she gets farmable. That's for sure. And let's do the Memento banner, and we'll just call it there. Oh, that's a download? Ooh, that's... Oh my god, that's 3 5-star Mementos. Bro, if we pull Jin's Memento, my girl is gonna be salty AF. Boom! Raul, that's a 3rd Raul Memento. I guess I can get the VCR a lot quicker. Boom, baby! Yomi's Memento. Okay, I'll take Yomi's Memento. She looking like a little snack. Like a little peanut butter and Nutella on a breadstick, you know what I'm saying? And last but not least, another Setsuna's Memento. Okay. Damn though, 3 and 1. It's been a long time since I got anything like that in terms of Memento summons. Kinda sad we didn't get Jin, cause like he's the I didn't build up Yobi at all, but I'll take it. I'm definitely not gonna do this 5-step though. As much as I want this Jin Memento, nah, you good. Like, it's a premium Memento. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm summoning for Bay, and then yeah, we'll see what's up. All right, so we are on Bay's account. Let's peep what we can do for her. And I'm not gonna lie, I got pretty lucky on my summons, because like the chance of a 5-star Memento, I love how they kind of just like herpaderped our entire Memento summons, because the entire point, the only reason that we were upset with the Memento summons wasn't that we got like 5-star characters, it was that it was like 6% chance to get a Memento and then 6% chance to get a character. I think anybody here would agree that we wanted like 10% chance to get a Memento like we normally do with a 10% chance to get a character, as opposed to what they did, and they literally just made the Memento summons 6% and just took out the character, so now you have a higher chance of getting a fucking 3-star Memento. Like, I feel like that's kind of like anti whatever anybody actually wanted. I don't think anybody was like, dang, I got a 5-star character. Like, everyone that got a 5-star character said, it's like, man, I got a 5-star character that could have been a Memento. And now it's like, oh, now I'm thinking to myself, oh, I could have gotten a 5-star character, but now I got 3-star trash. Like, okay. Yo, if she gets Ren, I'm gonna be low-key salty, because she didn't even care for him, bro. Natalie, okay. Like, she almost got her to 75, which is good, because she has that the job enchant. But she's getting a new unit, I hope, unless the download. These downloads, Letitia. What? What? Aren't you limited? Whatever. I'm sure Sharky will take it. That's good. What? What the? No, this is a scam. This is a scam. This is a lie. Yo, this is a lie. Hold on, were they thrown into the premium pool? Bro, how you get Corvus and Letitia in the same multi when they're not are they featured? I mean, I guess they have. No, like, I'm so confused. Yo, Gumi, what the? Oh no, look at this. All right, Nina, it was limited. I should have known. Dang, Ren is limited too. Oh, Nefertiti's in here. Oh my god, there's a lot of featured units. Look at this, guys. You actually have a pretty low chance of getting like one of the limited units because you have like everything in here. Seeing this list makes me incredibly happy that like we only got limited units, because I got Nina, which was a dupe, but I'm totally fine with that. And then Corvus and she gets Corvus, Letitia, and Natalie, bro. Let's keep it up, Gummy. Give me it. Oh no, she got a 2 download, bro. Do not tell me she's about to get to 2-in-1 multi. Here we go, and they might both be new, or we might just. Yo, if she gets Jin's Memento, I'm gonna be salty, but like Jin's been like her like not really her best character because Soul and whatnot, but like that was like her first 5-star, bro. Boom. Ah, Setsuna, nah. It's so sad. I like Setsuna and everyone tells me it's like her enlightenment is trash. Like, oh man, why you do this? Boom, baby. Is that? Oh, she got Yomi's Memento. Damn it, man. I wanted her to get Jin so bad. Alright, but I mean, like, Jin's Memento isn't limited, but yeah, it's pretty good, and she could do this. Hopefully she gets lucky on this too. Like she's pulling fire, bro. She's pulling fire. Like, damn. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I'm not gonna put. I better not put it in sometime for the next like couple weeks, cause my shit'll fall. Like my shit'll burn right off. All right, come on. Let's pull fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are these rates, bro? What are these rates? Ogre Slay Blade. That's probably new. She could use that. That's trash. Oh man, that is so funny though. Oracle's Prayer. Okay. I wonder what that's for. Oh man. I'm just laughing my ass off right now. Swift Kunai Common. I think that's a really good one too. I might be wrong, but I believe that that's a really good one. I wouldn't be surprised if that's the one that I want. I don't know. I'll find out some other time, man. Like, how this girl pulls so much fire. And yeah, she has enough for this too. She might as well. She's pulling like everything in the world. Please. Damn it. Alright, that's the cooldown multi. That's the cooldown multi, but dang, dude. I think she came out on top, to be honest. Like, are there any 300? No, there's no other 500 multis. Yeah. So I do have a dilemma on her account, and I told her that like she probably shouldn't do it yet, cause like she can't really raise her up. But like, for example, if she wants Mikasa, like she can transmute her, or like, I know that it's a low chance that we'll get like a rerun for Attack on Titan, because we got him with Kaigen, and like Attack on Titan hasn't ever come back on JP, let alone got their Kaigens, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll see. Oh, she almost got enough to get Pamela 85. She should do that. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch up, pick me up, stay blessed. And yeah, I mean, I know that like Mikasa's leader skill is really good, but like she's gonna get Merliness anyways. I actually don't know how many shards she has for speed. Let's see. Yeah, and like she's gonna get Merlinus, so she's gonna do her best to like try to get him to 85 by the time that comes out. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You know this, guys. Grind on, catch me on Picking Up. Stay blessed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll probably have more Alchemist Code content. Like I've been enjoying. I'm not gonna lie. I've been enjoying Bleach Brave Souls a lot more since I got into these epic raids, and I've always been enjoying Alchemist Code. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Alright, so don't mind the hair, I literally just got out the shower, but I'm gonna tack on the last week of Attack on Titan summons for my girl to the end of this video. So if you want to watch that, feel free to stick around. Alright, and we are back, but we are on my girl's account because I asked for permission so we could actually summon on her account. She got 10k gems, but we are only gonna do the first step. I don't believe she wants to go like ham for like the 10.5k or 11k banner to get the and what did I just do? Okay, there we go. Yeah, like I don't think she wants to do like the 5-step over here to get the 150 collab shards guaranteed or whatever. So we're just gonna do the first step, and she's gonna decide whether or not she wants to do some other extra stuff. Now she still has a lot of gems to farm on her account, so if she really wants to, I think that she really could. Alright, so let's quickly do the free stuff. Alright, and this is pretty much going to conclude the summons for Attack on Titan, really. Like, that's pretty much the end. This is the game. That's kind of sad. And she does have Levi. She almost maxed Levi out, too. Whoa, that's 1500. Now you bugging, bro. Yeah, you ain't fooling me with that. Download? Yes, we got to download. Please be a 5-star Memento. Please be a 5-star Memento. Oh, thank God. That'd be really cool if she gets the like a dupe Attack on Titan Memento. That'd be good. Oh, so that is not new. Dang, did she get like a new 4-star? That'd be funny. That'd be cool if she gets like 2 5-stars. That'd be amazing. Turn for me, baby. Oh, it looks like it's gonna turn. Oh no, I lied. I got scammed. My bad. What did she get? Nothing was new, but you got to download. Wow. That's disappointing as hell. Alright. Well then. I'm not even gonna get happy with these things until I see a 5-star Memento. Wow, that's a lot of Memento. Oh wait. That's a lot of 4-star Mementos, I should say. Ooh, the what burns within. I actually want to max do that one. Are you gonna pop? A dupe's a hard Nenso. I mean, that's not a bad Nenso. I don't know if I would want a dupe of it. Actually, yeah, what am I talking about? Of course I would want a dupe of it. Puh. That's a physical attack Nenso. Alright, come on. Can we get another 5-star Nenso? That'd be crazy if she gets like all the 5-star Nensos. Come on. Glands Memento, that's actually not bad. Oh, Onx Memento, that's probably new for her, right? Don't tell me you gotta download with nothing new. What is this scam? What is this scam? Like, wow. What is this? Oh no, why is this a thing? Oh, never mind. This is a 7-step. I'm not gonna bother with that. Y'all almost got me. Wow. Oops. That's not good. I mean, at least you got 2 5-star Mementos, though. That's not bad. And then, like, pretty much all this stuff got reset, right? Wow, she's not getting any 5-stars. And she didn't max out her errand, so we're gonna go for that. Alright, there's the reds that we wanted. Hopefully we can get an errand dupe in there along with whatever download we got. Which, like, honestly, I'm not even I'm not even gonna be like surprised if we don't get anything new at this point. Boom. Oh, Kratos. Damn. That's a good pull. That's actually a good pull. And finish it off with Yomi shards. Dang, Kratos, that's great.